About 2 weeks after planting, healthy peanut seedlings begin emerging from the fertile soil. Bright green leaves spread across the field, marking the beginning of a successful growing season. Healthy plant development. Within a few weeks, the peanut plants become bushier, forming a dense green canopy that protects the soil. Irrigation. Modern irrigation systems provide the exact amount of water needed to keep peanut plants healthy during hot summer days. Soil moisture check. Farmers regularly monitor soil moisture to avoid overwatering or drought stress. Fertilizer application. Balanced fertilizers provide essential nutrients that help peanut plants grow strong and healthy. Root development. Strong roots absorb water and nutrients efficiently, supporting healthy peanut production. Flowering begins. Bright yellow flowers bloom on the peanut plants, signaling the next stage of development. Peg formation. After pollination, special stems called pegs grow downward into the soil, where peanuts begin to develop. Weeds are carefully controlled so peanut plants receive enough sunlight, water, and nutrients. Pest monitoring. Farmers inspect the fields regularly to detect insects before they damage the crop. Beneficial insects help control harmful pests naturally, reducing the need for chemical treatments. Drone technology helps farmers monitor crop health across thousands of acres. With proper irrigation, balanced nutrition, effective weed control, and careful pest management, the peanut crop is now growing strong beneath the soil. In Part 3, we'll explore peanut pod development, harvesting, drying, shelling, processing, packaging, and delivery to markets. After the pegs enter the soil, peanut pods begin forming underground. This hidden stage is one of the most important parts of the peanut growing cycle. Over the next several weeks, the peanut pods continue growing larger as they absorb nutrients from the plant. Farmers regularly check pod maturity to determine the perfect harvest time for maximum quality and yield. Once most of the pods reach maturity, powerful harvesting machines are prepared to begin the harvest. Special diggers gently lift the peanut plants from the soil. Freshly harvested peanuts arrive at the processing factory, where powerful cleaning machines remove soil, stones, leaves, and other impurities. Clean peanuts are carefully dried using controlled airflow to reduce moisture and preserve their quality. Advanced optical scanners inspect every peanut, removing damaged or defective kernels to ensure premium quality. Special shelling machines separate the peanuts from their shells quickly and efficiently. Some peanuts are roasted and seasoned with delicious flavors before packaging. Automated packaging machines seal the peanuts into attractive bags for supermarkets and export. Finished products are stored in clean warehouses before being shipped across the country. Delivery trucks are loaded with peanut products for distribution to stores nationwide. Within days, the peanut products arrive at supermarkets where customers can easily purchase them. Many premium peanuts are transformed into smooth, creamy peanut butter loved around the world. American peanuts are exported to many countries, supplying food industries and consumers worldwide. From a tiny seed planted in American soil to nutritious snacks enjoyed around the world, every peanut tells an incredible farming story. Peanuts are not true nuts. They are actually legumes, just like beans, peas, and lentils. Unlike most crops, peanuts grow underground after the flowers send pegs into the soil. Peanut plants usually take about 120 to 150 days to reach full maturity. Each healthy peanut plant can produce between 30 and 50 peanut pods under good growing conditions. Peanuts grow best in warm climates with sandy, well-drained soil and plenty of sunshine. Peanuts are naturally rich in protein, healthy fats, fiber, vitamins, and important minerals. The United States is one of the